Okay, class. Now we are going to conduct the activity number 8, which is the precipitation reaction of proteins. So, first we're going to conduct the number 1 procedure, which is about the heating and coagulation of the protein. So, I have here my setup, a 1 test tube. Then, I am going to put a 5 ml of 2% casein solution. So this is the 5 ml. Then after that, we will going to heat to boiling the test tube. So on this activity class, you will be able to know some precipitation reactions related to protein and its application such as to our daily lives and to the industry or related to your respective courses. So now I'm going to heat the test tube. So observe what happened. We're going to heat to boiling the solution, the casein solution. As you can see, there is a formation of bubbles on the top of the solution. Look. So this is what happened. Again. And so look at the formation of bubbles in the solution. And it seems that some of the particles also dissolved. So this is for the first procedure. Now for the continuation of our heat for coagulation and precipitation for proteins, I have here 3 test tubes labeled 1, 2, and 3. Then I already prepared the chemicals needed. So on each of the test tubes, I am going to put a 1 ml of egg albumin solution. So this is our egg albumin solution. So 1 ml of this. On the first. On the second. Third. Now, after putting the egg albumin solution, on the first tube, I am going to add a 1 drop of 0.1 normal acetic acid. Just a 1 drop of it. Okay. Then after that, on the second tube, I am going to add 2 drops of 5 normal acetic acid. Then on the last tube, it will just serve as our control. So I'm not going to add any more solution on it. Now, after adding all the necessary reagents, I am going to boil each of the test tube on the fire, and let us compare and observe the results that have been obtained on the 3 test tubes. So take a look on the first test tube. So again, it contains albumin solution and 0.1 normal acetic acid. So this test is for the coagulation. This is for the first test tube. Now let's proceed with the second one. It contains albumin solution and 5 normal acetic acid. So a much higher concentration of acetic acid compared to the first one. So compared to the first one, it seems that it produced more bubbles, and I think there's a formation on the side of the test tubes. So this is for the second test tube. Now for the last, this is our control. You're just going to observe what happened. So expectedly, we're going to assume that there's nothing happened in this because it's just our control. So this is the comparison of the 3. We're going to compare the 2. It seems that this second test tube form a lot of coagulant and bubble formation compared to the first one. So this is the comparison.